In the Biomimetic Innovation Lab, researchers study tardigrade survival tricks to design ultra-resilient coatings that endure extreme environments and extend product lifespans. Banana leaf architectures reveal passive cooling strategies that slash energy use in buildings, guiding affordable, climate-adaptive architecture worldwide. Coral reef membranes inspire new filtration systems that remove contaminants with minimal energy, offering safer drinking water in drought regions. The rapid color and texture shifts of cephalopod skin drive adaptive camouflage sensors for smart devices that blend with surroundings. These stories show science translating natural ingenuity into societal impact through sustainable technology.